Is your hair weak, brittle, and not growing at all? It's terrible, isn't it? With that in mind, today I brought you a quick and very effective mixture. To your surprise, it is made with only 2 ingredients. This little mixture will help you take good care of your hair, promoting the health of your hair and scalp. And I'll even tell you the little secret of this recipe, which is the explanation of the power of the main ingredient. So leave here for me the city where you are watching this video. Then I want to send you a very special hug. I thank you in advance for your company. The main ingredient in this recipe is coffee powder. One of the benefits of coffee on hair, besides boosting growth, is to maintain the health and strength of the strands. This happens because the caffeine, as soon as it comes into contact with the follicles, helps in the distribution of nutrients. It is also responsible for blocking the accelerated aging of the strands. Coffee has 95% caffeine, which helps cleanse the scalp and stimulate hair growth, in addition to inhibiting hair loss. This is because caffeine is a chemical compound that has a stimulating action, capable of increasing alertness and concentration. As the roasted and ground coffee beans act as an exfoliator, it also enhances the absorption of the hydration mask that is used with it. You can make a coffee bomb shampoo at home and have faster hair growth. That's what I'm going to teach you now. Choose a shampoo of your preference. I'm going to use this one, transparent. Then, separate 2 tablespoons of coffee. In the shampoo bottle itself, add the 2 tablespoons of coffee you separated. Shake well and let it rest overnight. It can only be used after 24 hours, when the powder has descended to the bottom of the bottle. When it's time to wash your hair, apply the mixture only to the scalp. Massage it to activate the circulation. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. After removing the product, it is important to use a conditioner or a hair moisturizer of your preference. You can do this procedure every other hair wash. A study conducted by the University Lübeck, in Germany, showed that coffee in the hair can be a powerful stimulant for hair strands. It provides a growth of up to 25% in a short time. Since then, many people have started using coffee bomb shampoo. This is a mixture of salt-free shampoo and 2 or 3 tablespoons of coffee powder. For more questions, just make this recipe at home. I am sure it will be very useful and you will thank me. But beware. If you have blonde or red hair, the coffee mixtures can darken your hair, even temporarily. Be careful and do a test before applying it to all of your hair. What did you think of this tip? Tell me all about it. Today's message is in Galatians chapter 4, verse 4. But when the fullness of time came, God sent forth his Son, born of a woman, born under the law. God's loving nature is so evident in his decision to send his Son. It was not a pleasant time to be born. People worshipped idols, sacrificed children, used religion to exclude and persecute, and thus had closed their hearts. However, in the fullness of time, Jesus saved everyone. The same people who wanted to hang the Son of God on a cross, were the same people God had sent his Son to save. The fullness of God's time is more than perfect, it is more than merciful. A kiss and until the next video. Bye.